here today, I spotted 2 stilt adults and 2 chicks, and I thought that the ones that were the stilt chicks that were born about 8 weeks ago, I'm sorry, 8 to 10 days ago, thought maybe 2 of them were lost. Because I seen 2 adults with 2 little young ones, probably about 5 days old over in that area. I'm going to come over here where they let the water in. I found the 2 adults, and these guys are about 10 days old. All 4 of them are here. One's way over to the left, you can't see it from here. There's 2 and 3, and 4 is off to the distance on the left. So that means we have 2 that are about a week old, 4 that are about 10 days old, and way across the way over there, on that little island, there's a stilt sitting on a nest. It's been there for 2 weeks at least, maybe longer, not sure. But they usually have 4 eggs. And I also seen the ones that are about 10 weeks old are also over there. So that means we have 8, 10, yeah, 10 baby stilts, 4 of which are juveniles, and then we have a nesting stilt. So hopefully that'll be, well, if 4 of them hatch, that'll be 14 this year, which is good. And we're thankful that County Parks and Rec is pumping water in here, but today they're not. Probably just letting it rest. There's no water flowing through here today. They have their markers to keep tab of where the water line maybe should be. I think they probably decided that that's good right there. So there's the other little chick over there now. So that's a welcome sight. I thought when I saw those 2 other little ones, I thought 2 of them had been lost. But the 4 that were born about 8 days ago, they're still alive and well. They're hard to keep up with, and they're growing fast, so that means they're getting a lot to eat, so it's a very good sign. It's getting hot here in Lakeside. It's about 90 degrees now. So hopefully these little guys will be okay. So they should be. The water keeps them a little cool. Just hope for the best.